whenever you're doing a, let's say, D2C or B2C, we call it, and you're doing at least a few $100 million in online commerce, the traffic is tremendous, right? So this particular customer of ours, they have 30 servers which are load balanced. They have 4 database servers, and so the web servers are load balanced, and 1 to 30 goes to DB1. 11 to 20 goes to DB2, DB server 2, and 21 to 30 goes to DB server. And for admin module and reporting, there's a 4 database server. All the database servers, they sync real time using Galera architecture. So there are the high availability cluster managed platform. We used to call it HSEMP. That architecture is there with the Adobe Commerce or Magento, and that can be implemented. So for those large customers, we have to have a right infrastructure, right architecture, and there needs to be enough hardware resources. In addition to that, almost all big customers have those Black Friday sales and traffic spikes for those 2 days. So there is the server needs to be provisioned, or additional cloud computing needs to be provided during those spike in traffic. In our case, in our customers' case, they run these fantasy baseball trading cards, and whenever a card is available in limited quantities, the traffic jumps from 150 concurrent sessions to 2,000 to 3,000 concurrent sessions. So it increases tremendously. So we had to implement solutions like with 2 firewalls in place. We implemented waiting room concepts. So if the sessions increase beyond that, load balance infrastructure can take, then they have to wait. So there are those things that are implemented. But this customer of ours is so popular and people are so crazy about these products that they buy bots. You can buy for a few $100 a bot that can continuously ping the server. So we receive a lot of bot traffic, and that kind of crashes the system. So the bigger that you are, the bigger red dot is on your forehead, right? So there are customers who have those kind of needs where there are bot attacks. There are more malicious intent and activity that are performed on the, by people around the world. So we need to protect them against it, and there needs to be right system, right solution in place.